Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add or change to white background on Instagram story easy guide. So for us to be able to begin, open Instagram onto your device. Then right after, click on your story in here to add in a story. So just simply click onto camera in here. Now to go ahead and change the background for this, so just simply click onto the text icon in here or the create button. So here, they should give you an option to change the background for this. Simply click onto the colors here onto the bottom part until you land in to a white background. So as you can see, just click onto that and the white background should be added onto your Instagram story. Now, if you click on sticker in here, it should give you an option already to add in the things that you want to see onto that specific Instagram post. Like if you want to add more photo, you could go ahead and click on photo, location, music, and many more. So you could also add in a text for that. Simply click onto that icon onto the upper part or the text icon to proceed. And that is how easy you could add or change to white background on Instagram story easy guide. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.